Hello there, Sir EJ here. In today's video, I will be showing you the basics on Google Chat. Now, Google Chat, or GChat for short, is an online messaging app similar to Messenger. It is the application that was developed by Google to be used as its own messaging platform. To get to Google Chat, simply log into your account at google.com with your school email address. Please note to double check the account that is being used for GChat. Personal accounts will not have access to GChat. You will receive this message or error if you try to open GChat with your personal account. After logging into google.com, click on the Google App Drawer located on the right side of the browser. Then, click on GChat. If you are not seeing GChat on the drawer, you can simply type in the URL on the address bar. Type in chat.google.com. After doing this, you will be able to see the interface of GChat. You should see on the left side Chat, Rooms, and Bots. Chat is where you will see all the people you have chat with. Rooms is like a group chat in GChat, and Bots is like an assistant in GChat. Up top is the search bar for GChat. You can search there the people or the rooms you want to chat with for school matters. Make sure that when you correspond with a teacher or a school employee, that respectful language is used. Pupils can even use this application to discuss group works or to socialize with one another in a safe place. Next is the settings for the chat or rooms. You can view the members, or you can view members and even start a new chat in this setting. This also has the option to start a conversation or silent the notifications. There's this search bar as well. You can input here searches for this chat. There's also the Google App Drawer for easier access for Google Apps. At the center, you will see the chat of your highlighted chat. Down below is where you can type in your message. You can send emojis, upload files, insert a file from Google Drive, and even create a Google Meet video call. But for safety reasons, students can create a Google Meet room on their own. Please note that disciplinary actions may apply to those who use this application for threatening or malicious intent. Well, that is all for GChat. Feel free to explore Google on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from us. Thank you and have an awesome day.